The benefits of commonly using essential oils to massage the back include relieving fatigue, improving back blood circulation, and promoting overall physical and mental health. How to easily relax your back at home using the Meridian massage brush. Step 1. Spread essential oil evenly on the back. Divide into 3 sections from top to bottom. The oil spreading motion can be repeated 2 to 3 times. Step 2. Use the Meridian massage brush to push the governing vessel with one hand. Push down with pressure. Push up lightly. Step 3. Push both sides of the urinary bladder meridian. Step 4. Separate and push along both sides of the spine. Circular motions can be soothing around the shoulder blades. Step 5. Push down to the waist and rub to generate warmth. Crossing motions can be used to push the waist. Circular motions to relax. Soothe the entire back. Step 6. Target the fatigued muscles on both sides. Finally, relax the head. This simple back massage once learned, definitely try it on your family members.